How you doing, motherfucker?
You can see where everything needs to line up when we're putting it back together. And he zip tied this gear to keep it from spinning.
To keep it with the chain.
Chicken of the cave.
Yeah, to keep the chain.
And then gear synchronized. We took these bolts out.
And we're going to slide it off and hopefully everything comes out nice and easy.
Say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
Don't worry, practice makes perfect. I'm still figuring it out too.
I'm not a cameraman.
Okay. This is the car with the broken valve spring.
Wow.
This is why we're doing all that. I don't know if they can see that, but...
Oh yeah. There's your crack. Crack cocaine. Right there.
Yeah, there it is. So, we're trying to replace that. Here's the new part in here.
Melon.
We're also going to put compressed air in there. And we are going to try to keep that valve up, and we're going to try to change it
without pulling the head.
Yeah, without pulling the head. That's what we're doing right now.
That's the goal. Could be wishful thinking, but we're going to try it.
So we're probably about to pull these cams out of the way now. Yep, that's what we're doing now. We're going to pull the cams out.
This is a Dodge Avenger 2.7 V6. Double overhead cam, obviously.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gonna get it.
This is what we're going to try to use with compressed air. These are junk.
Fucking junk!
Traditionally, I use this guy, this big C-clamp, valve depressor. It works really good, but we're going to try to use this one so we don't have to pull the head.
Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream. Big vibe.
So, you see the black? Here's the size valve spring we're getting, and it doesn't quite grab it.
My spoon is too big.
Good enough, so I'm going to bend these in relation inward. Shame on me modifying a tool.
A brand new tool.
Alright, there. I tapered it in some more.
Wait. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
I'd like to look at it.
Beautiful.
Would you look at that?
Would you just look at it?
Look at it. They probably said you gotta look at it.
Went over and tried to...
So what's also making this difficult, not only the head in the way, but the spring's broken into two pieces. So that makes it pretty hard to get it in there. I'm stupid. I hate this tool already.
Piece of fucking garbage.
Alright, we're going O'Reilly's. Or, actually, you know what? Might be able to just use that one side all the way now.
Paul broke it.
I broke it.
Scratch!
Why is it so... Oh, that's why. The spring's inside the spring right there. It's overlapping. No wonder can't grab it right there. Got one out.
Hear me. Shear that goddamn shit off me. Fuck you.
I don't need this one to rotate. I think I got it rotate. It's out. Right here.
Run that thing all over my ass. Fuck yeah!
There it is.
Alright, now, I know probably everyone's gonna freak the hell out when they see this. But we gotta go to the store, so.
Shit, son.
We'll be back. I gotta keep some insurance on this.
Let's all state stand. Are you in good hands?
Till next time. Oh, that's amazing.
Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming, okay, this a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'd be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the...
It's not shaking. No way he is. That thing had some back pressure.
I'm going to explain to you what back pressure is and why it's important.
To see if I succeed, to see if I believe.
How you doing, motherfucker?
Alright, you got a little red dot.
Valve springs.
What does that little red dot mean? Hey, this one's packaged a whole lot nicer than the one.
That's what I just said.
Oh, I didn't hear you.
You never hear me.
I was talking about the red dot.
Is a red dot sight specifically designed for pistol use.
Alright, where?
You want to respond with calm and confident authority to reestablish the child's sense of safety within the relationship.
Oh, where? I got more You got stretch nuts?
No, I got sticky nuts.
With sticky nuts.
If it's disorganization, that indicates distress. The child is extremely distressed, and the screaming is indicative of the degree of distress that's in the child.
This is stupid. They just go ahead and guess.
My nuts smell like Sprite.
I thought they smelled like rainbows from Skittles.
What the fuck?
To me, they want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah!
I need to set that right in there. So to keep the holes, how many baby?
Oh, wow.
What?
The fucking tool's hanging on by a thread on the backside. Try to get these in there for the compressor kicks.
Compressor kicks back on and makes me nervous and jump and shit. Oh, man. No, it's holding the damn valve in the motor right now.
Oh, no shit.
Where's those, like,
Needle nose?
Yeah, needle. Yeah, the, like, actual needles. I think them. Them are too
I
big.
just seen them.
Right here. Yeah. These fit in there nicely.
God damn it.
You gotta be shitting me. Oh, I see it. Good thing I played baseball growing up. God dang! I should just use some grease to put these in.
All I heard was Paul go.
Fucking quit messaging me!
With a screaming child, is it drama or is it disorganization?
I don't give a fuck! Someone just messaged my phone. I don't even know what they're talking about. I don't even give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck, I don't give a fuck, I don't give a fuck, bitch, I don't give a fuck about you or anything that you do.
Didn't know that was my problem.
We need to respond with a supportive intervention, a relationship-based intervention that helps the child regain organization.
And then you wanna pull this shit!
I see it.
I see it.
Shit, too. So,
fucking close. I'm gonna try to put it in without holding it like that. Try to put it in like holding it like that.
Got him!
Gotcha!
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to ball.
Are we there yet?
No.
Take it on, need a handout.
Are we there yet?
No.
Ready to expand now, you don't have a chance now. Cause we're in demand now, make it by the grand now. Feeling in command now, they're looking right at me to see if I succeed.
Are we there yet?
Me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
Are we there yet?
No, we are not.
Are we there yet?
No. Are we there yet?
Yes.
Oh.
I don't know how much you just witnessed of us getting those keepers in, but me and Josh were literally cracking sweats playing with picks and all sorts of needle nose pliers and crap just to set them keepers, but we finally got it. Our primary camera died, and my phone, I think it clapped out at 10 minutes. But cylinder number 2, intake valve spring is fixed. Alright, so we have the valve train back together. Sorry you missed some. We've been fighting some battery issues in camcorders. You see that broken piece of plastic right there? Part of the cam position sensor looks like it broke off. That's about the only casualty. The primary timing chain was a pain in the ass to get back on the cam shaft. It was pulled really tight by the tensioner, but we got that back on there. The valve spring has been replaced. And we're taking the wheel off, and we're gonna turn the engine over to put the final 2 lash adjuster rocker assemblies back in on the springs, and then we're gonna turn it over some more and more to make sure it's good. Alright, so it is late, but just a quick recap. We replaced the spring, as you definitely saw all of that, and we put the timing back on. And part of the recap that's important, we justified the relation between the primary cam gear and the primary camshaft right there. And then this did it from the camshaft to the gear and even the chain, but we've turned it over and over so the chain's no longer synchronized. The same right here, we had it marked from gear to chain. We put all this back together, and we have the valve spring back in there, and it still has no compression. So an initial thought I was concerned about would be, sure, we had a broken valve spring, but why is it broken? Honestly, I don't believe I have a good answer to that other than material weaknesses. We put the new one on, and I checked the height at the valve when it comes up, and it seems like it comes up just as high as the other one. And here's even more of a kicker. I haven't checked this entire bank
for compression. I have before, but not since I did the repair and had the timing all taken off. We have no compression in the cylinder right now that we just repaired, and I don't know why. Tomorrow when I get back at it, we're going to check these to see what's up, because what was bizarre was when we were pressurizing the cylinder to keep the valve afloat so that we could change the spring, once we had the spring replaced and everything, and there was no cam here, you recall the video where we were popping the valves down with the hammer, and you could hear it pop a good bit of compression out of the intake plenum. So I know the piston rings, the cylinder wall, the honing, the head gasket, the head, and the 4 valves were holding a good bit of compression. There wasn't much leak by. I guess I'm gonna go get my leak down tester and see where it might be going, if it is going anywhere, but right now we're at a slight standstill because of that. What I did today was verified that after replacing the spring, I believe we have no compression on number 2, so it's still not fixed. I checked, I should have done one of these, but I checked the back bank just to see, and it said like 60 something PSI. I understand that's way too low, but this customer, I don't know if he wants to replace his battery, but it's way down there in the fender. So we were jumping it off to the best of our ability using my Super Duty, because it's got dual alternators, trying to get it to crank over to do this test. So it was marginally cranking over. It wasn't nothing significant. That battery's been sitting partially dead for a while. It's not a good battery. It probably does okay from day-to-day use, but it probably barely has a crank in it at a time. But that's it for that. Keep you guys posted on what we figure out. I guess the hydraulic lash adjusters weren't pumped up, and they finally pumped up with pressure. I had my battery charger on it for earlier today and somewhat just now, and look, we already got over 90 PSI.
To see if I succeed, to see if I believe they're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the